A more convenient and advanced world than you can dream. A much more satisfactory solution than customers want. A company that always takes the road of success with customers. We are Haegang AP Company Limited. Since its establishment in July 1984, we have succeeded in local manufacturing of high-quality special copper AP that is used on import products. A patriotic company to export all over the world who is receiving attention in the world as well as domestically with huge growth. A proud company that contributes electric power development with generator core components that fulfills technology innovation by continuous research and development. In order to lead sustainable future growth, a company that moves forward to the world with new ideas, positive will, strong drive, we are Haegang AP. Haegang AP has 5 key core business areas. A basic material business to produce and process copper and special copper AP. Copper AP material from Haegang AP is made by melting process and extrusion and drawing process that produce broad material. A rolling process that produce board material. And conducts post-processing in accordance with the customer's requirements using material produced by forging. A generating business that manufactures and supplies generator core components. Haegang AP succeeds in local manufacturing generator stator and rotor, which are important core components for generators, and we export to overseas as well as local markets so that we are credited for our technology. In addition, we own top-class technology regarding special material production technology, bending, welding, and insulation. And we are developing fusion generator core components and accelerators which are cutting edge. Regarding plant business for generating and maintenance of industrial facilities, Haegang AP has experience and technology for generators, turbines, boilers, and generating facilities. There are power transmission and distribution components business that produce and sell power transmission and distribution materials for public enterprises parts distribution business, and instrument and control engineering business that build fire and steam pipe leakage detection systems with thermal image cameras. Haegang AP has not stopped challenge and innovation for technology improvement in order to produce and develop better products. Haegang owns many patents and is registered by 6 major generating companies and KPS subcontractors of KEPCO based on ISO quality environment certification, and has been increasing business territory, such as executing overseas maintenance business agreements. Haegang AP supplies to big companies, small and medium companies, and local 500 agents in Korea, as well as local generating companies. And supplies to 30 countries, such as the United States, Middle East, Europe, and Asia. Haegang AP will stand tall in the world of generation component and total solution field based on special copper AP material and cutting-edge technology. Haegang AP, Incorporated of the world, will work hard to be with our customers and to produce a better life through our new technological skills in the field of generating, special AP, and the state-of-the-art material in the 21st century. A strong company of generating facility that supplies power plant core components based on high-quality technology of basic material fields, challenge, and innovation for tomorrow. We are Haegang AP Company Limited. Thank you very much.